Hi, I'm Bo with Karcher, and I'm here today to introduce you to the Windsor Karcher Group Chariot 3 Iscrub 26 stand-on scrubber. The Chariot 3 Iscrub 26 is a 26-inch wide scrubber. It has a 25-gallon solution tank, a 28-gallon recovery tank, and it'll scrub 27,639 square feet per hour, which makes it a very productive option for your facility. We're going to take a look in this video at some of the unique features on this unit. We're going to start by a feature you'll see on many Karcher units, the Easy Dial. On the right side of the control panel, you'll see a big yellow dial. Now, one of the things that's unique on all Karcher pieces of equipment, yellow means something on a Karcher piece of equipment. Anything you see outlined in yellow or highlighted in yellow or colored yellow, it means that you have to train the operator on that particular piece so that they know how to safely and effectively operate the equipment. Now, if you look on our Chariot 3 Iscrub 26, the Easy Dial is yellow. Now, one of the things that's nice about the Easy Dial is you'll notice that the Easy Dial controls all the functions of the machine. I don't have to make a lot of other adjustments. I simply select the mode I want to go to, and the machine operates based on the settings of that mode. So this really simplifies operation for anybody using the Chariot 3 Iscrub 26. Now, let's talk about that little blue area. The little blue area is our eco-efficiency area. Karcher has a deep commitment to sustainability in our environment, and so all Karcher equipment has undergone eco-efficiency testing. Eco-efficiency is simply that area where we look for the sweet spot, where you get the best clean with the least amount of resources. On your scrubber, what that means is it lowers the vacuum, it lowers water output, and it uses the batteries more efficiently. This will help extend run times and help extend times between dump and fills. So, eco-efficiency is great for just standard daily applications when you're not dealing with heavy amounts of soil. So let's take a look at the modes on the Easy Dial. You have two transport modes with minimum speed and maximum speed. You have two eco-efficiency modes. On the left, you have an eco-efficiency mode with less vacuum. On the right, an eco-efficiency mode with a little bit more vacuum, which is ideal for grouted surfaces. You have a regular scrub mode, an aggressive scrub mode, a vacuum-only mode, and a double scrub mode that has no vacuum associated with it. Next, let's take a look at the onboard chemical metering system, which is an option on the Chariot 3 Iscrub 26. If you choose this option, you're going to have a 1-gallon solution tank right here that you'll put your undiluted detergent in. The metering system is actually below the back panel. Now, you can meter anything from a ½ ounce per gallon to 4 ounces per gallon. Additionally, we have a priming switch located right below so that you can prime the detergent and get it down to the water line. Now, another option is our Productivity Plus pack, and this is something you'll find in the back of this unit as well. The great thing about the Productivity Plus pack, you can literally run the machine until the job is completed. All you need is a freshly charged set of batteries and a cart, and you can wheel it up, put the batteries in, and continue to work. This saves having to buy an entire second piece of equipment. All you're buying is a second set of batteries. Some other unique features of the Chariot 3 Iscrub 26 can be found right down here. The squeegee swings out 14 inches on either side in a turn to help recover water completely, even in tight turns. Additionally, the squeegee, just by simply removing the hose and loosening one bolt, slides right out, making cleaning and maintenance very simple. Additionally, there's no tools needed to remove the brushes on the Chariot 3 Iscrub 26, so maintenance is a snap. And one final thing, our patented Aquamizer system, the squeegees that are located right behind the brushes. This is a system that helps extend the runtime by using water and detergent more effectively and efficiently. Essentially, those two brushes create a cleaning chamber along with the rest of the shroud that holds the water and detergent in, slowly releases it, meaning that you don't have to put as much water down as you would with a conventional scrubber. So the Aquamizer system is really a key component in helping you get the most out of the labor hours that you put in to scrubbing your facility. Another feature on the Chariot 3 Iscrub 26 that will really help you get dialed in on your productivity is the Karcher Fleet system. Now this is a standard system. It comes free of charge on every Chariot 3 Iscrub 26. What Karcher Fleet is it's a cloud-based system that allows you to look at 4 things. Karcher Fleet will tell you how many machines you have. If you have a large fleet of equipment, you probably don't know how many machines you have. Karcher Fleet will actually tell you that. Karcher Fleet will also tell you where all of your machines are located. Additionally, it'll tell you, are your machines in good working order? Meaning, are there any error codes? Are the batteries getting close to needing replaced? It'll tell you those kinds of things. The final thing Karcher Fleet will do is it will tell you how your machines are being used. It will allow you to pull and look at reports on how your machines are being utilized. Now, Karcher Fleet gives you 10 freemium views when your machine comes, and then after that, it's a small monthly fee to access the data at any time, as often as you want, with as many people as you want on one particular piece of equipment. So, Karcher Fleet is a great way to truly understand how your Chariot 3 Iscrub 26 is being utilized and where you can find improvements in that utilization. So there you have it. You now know the unique features of the Chariot 3 Iscrub 26. Until next time, keep it clean.